So the NAS is connected to the network. I'm going to go ahead and visit my router's web interface. I'm going to log in. Next, I'm going to go ahead and assign a static IP address. I'm going to go ahead and change this to 65. I'm going to click Save. Now I'm going to go ahead and go to the static MAC IP mapping and double check that it is mapped. Yes, disk station with this MAC address is now mapped to this IP address. So we're all set. However, what I will need to do is restart the device so that it could release an IP address and change to this one. It's still currently using 118. So I'm going to go ahead and restart the NAS now. For the DSM update configuration, I'm going to go ahead and select install the latest DSM version automatically. This is because I don't often use my DSM and it's okay that it goes offline. It's not a production thing, it's not critical. It's just a home product that I use. This is not for a business. So I'm going to allow it to just update automatically whenever a new update is available. I'm going to go ahead and allow it to go ahead and update any day. However, I'm going to select it so that it updates at night. So around, I don't know, let's try 21, around 2 o'clock would be great. Or actually, what it has it set to is fine. I'm going to go ahead and do mornings. I'm going to go ahead and do around 6 o'clock or so would be good. So 6 a.m. You could do a check daily at 6 a.m. and figure out if there's a new update and install it. Run smart test to check the health, sure. Enable bad sector warning for drives, sure. Gonna go ahead and click next. QuickConnect ID. I do have already a QuickConnect ID, so I'm gonna go ahead and see if I could reuse that one. So I'm going to go ahead and connect to my existing QuickConnect ID. So I have my email, my password, and my QuickConnect ID here. Gonna go ahead and click next. Alright, so that worked. Gonna go ahead and click next. Just some information. Gonna go ahead and click next. Terms of service. Next. I'm going to go ahead and do this. Click next or go. I'm going to go ahead and skip device and analytics. And that looks like is it. I'm going to go ahead and check the system information to make sure that the RAM is at 6 gigabytes since I did the upgrade. I'm going to go ahead and click on Control Panel, look at Information Center, and total physical memory is at 6144 megabytes. So that's good. We got our 6 gigabytes there. Everything else looks good. 4 cores, 1.5 gigahertz, processor's right, time zone, it's all set, ready to go. I'm gonna go ahead and do a few things, install a few packages and so forth, and then I'm gonna go ahead and transfer my files over from my backed up drive back into the NAS.